Today, I'm happy to give a hand to my dear friend Florent and help him reorganize his kitchen by doing a giant purge. And we're gonna go from this to this. Stay tuned to watch the transformation. When you have limited space, living in a big city with limited cabinets, limited storage, it can be really hard to fit everything in place after a while. Florent has lived here by himself for a couple years, and then Jordan moved in, so now it's 2 people, and it's completely normal that the kitchen is now overflowing.
Just a friendly reminder that it only gets worse before it gets better.
Over time, all of the spices and some appliances have accumulated on the counter space, leaving very little room for actual meal prep. It's just become way too cramped, so we're gonna make sure to clear out all of the counter space. Left of the fridge, we have a giant pile of grocery bags that has accumulated that we are gonna declutter, only keep a few favorite bags and donating everything else.
My friend is having a little bit of a nervous breakdown here.
And after thinking about the best use of that corner and that space, we decided to order a simple piece of furniture that will add storage and counter space. You know, I love to get things secondhand whenever I can, but if you need something very specific with specific dimensions, honestly, buying new is just going to be easier because you can get exactly what you need. So we got this on Amazon, and I will try to link it below. This is sort of a cart that rolls out. The counter height is not exactly the same and the depth is not exactly the same, but the width is right for the space, which is what mattered most. We put the appliances that were sitting in the middle of the counter on that little cart tucked away on the left side of the fridge, and that is such a great use of space. And inside the cart itself, my friends relocated their tea supplies for all of their guests. It's not something they will use daily, so that allowed to clear prime storage for the main drawers and the main cabinets in the kitchen for other things they will use more often.
Making progress. This piece of furniture is assembled.
After the freezer's drawers broke, Florent temporarily put them on top of the fridge, and inevitably they were forgotten. But that is without counting on me fixing the broken drawers so they can be used again. Oh, and by the way, we also tackled the defrosting of the freezer before putting the drawers back in there. All right, guys, this is the last stretch. We are literally tackling every single drawer, every single tiny item, reorganizing all of the drawers and all of the cabinets. I have another video about kitchen organization that I will make sure to link here. You want to think about prime storage, meaning the most easily accessible drawers and cabinets, top drawers, middle cabinets, that kind of thing. Whatever you use the most, put things there. And the second thing is closed storage versus open storage. You've heard me say it many times. You want to store aesthetically pleasing things in the open storage. In this case, they had an opening on top of the oven that used to store sort of a bar, but it's getting sunlight. It looks a little messy, so we actually swapped the beautiful dishware that they have in the open cabinet, and it looks so nice. They use these items daily, so they're super accessible. It's not gonna get dust because they literally use the items daily. There is no issue with sun exposure either. Let's take a look at all of the trash and all of the donations that we ended up with after this massive declutter. This inspired Florent and Jordan to continue the decluttering process of their beautiful apartment. I will share the bathroom transformation and their entryway transformation in future videos. Make sure to subscribe, and I will see you there. Bye, guys.